So here in this video I'm going to teach you exercise 3.6, question number 2, Roman 3. Rohi travels 300 kilometers to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. That means some distances she covered by train, whereas some distances she covered by bus. Alright? She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. The next part, if she travels 100 kilometers by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer than the previous time. That means this time she's going to take 4 hours and 10 minutes. No? Find the speed of the train and bus separate. Oh, you want to determine what is the speed of the train and the speed of the bus also. So, what we are going to do is, let the speed of train be x kilometer per hour, and let the speed of bus be y kilometer per. Alright? Now, first case, the total distance to her home is 300 kilometers. Out of that, in the first case, she travels 60 kilometers by train. So distance covered by train would be 60 kilometers. And the remaining by bus, out of 300 kilometers, if she travels 60 kilometers by train, then the remaining distance, 240 kilometers, she will travel by bus. In that case, she takes only 4 hours. Alright? So, in the first case, what I'm going to do is, the total time taken in traveling by train and traveling by bus is only 4 hours, right? See? If she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining means 240 kilometers by bus, then the total time taken is only 4 hours. Are you following that? Now I'm going to express everything in terms of time. So, according to the question here, time taken by Rohi in traveling by train, right? Plus time taken by Rohi in traveling by bus. The total time taken is 4 hours. Is it correct? And then train praja laga time, aro bus praja laga time, milai ke na 4 hours siya sigo. Now we can express time as distance upon speed, right? Distance upon speed gives you time. What is the distance covered by the train? 60 kilometers upon. What is the speed of the train? We have assumed to be x, right? Yes. Again, here also time we can express as distance upon speed, but this is for the bus now. What is the distance traveled by the bus? Kilometers upon what is the speed of the bus? We have assumed to be y. So this is equal to 4 now. So we can rearrange this. 60 times 1 by x plus 240 times 1 upon y is equal to 4. We are rearranging the above equation and we make it as equation number 1. Because if you try to bring this x to the numerator, it becomes x to the power minus 1. And if the power of the variable is minus 1, then it's not a linear equation. Okay, so you have to rearrange in this way. See, how do you rearrange? Just separate the variable and its coefficient. Is it okay? So in that case, this 1 by x and this 1 by y can be replaced by another variable, say u and v, which is linear. Okay? Yeah. Now the second part of the question, case 2. This time, she travels 100 km by train. And the remaining by bus means 200 km she will travel by bus. Then she takes 10 minutes longer than the previous time. That means altogether she now takes 4 hours 10 minutes. So in the second case again, time taken by Rohi in traveling by train and time taken by Rohi in traveling by bus, the total time together is 4 hours 10 minutes, right? So time can be expressed as distance upon speed. This time distance covered by the train is 100 and speed of the train is x. Time taken by bus. Time can be expressed as distance upon speed. Distance covered by the bus is 200 upon speed of the bus is 1. 4 hours 10 minutes means it's 4 hours plus 10 minutes, right? 4 hours 10 minutes means 4 hours plus 10 minutes. Now 4 hours plus 10 minutes, we'll try to express this minute in terms of hours, right? Then 4 hours plus 10 upon 60 hours. 10 minutes means 10 upon 60 hours. So 0, 0 cancels out. So 4 plus 1 by 6 hours. If you take LCM, LCM is 6. 6 4 times is 24 plus 1 hours. So 25 upon 6 hours. Are you following that? So we can express this one as 100 times 1 upon x plus 200 times 1 upon y equal 4 hours 10 minutes gives you 25 upon 6 hours. Are you getting that? So this will be your equation number 2. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to replace this 1 by x by another variable, say u, which is linear, and I'm going to replace this 1 by y by another variable, say v, which is linear. So put 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. Then your equation 1 becomes, what will your equation 1 become? 60u plus 240v is equal to 4, right? A new equation. And your equation 2 also becomes 100u plus 200v is equal to 25 upon 6. This is equation number 4. So you can solve the equation number 3 and 4 by any algebraic method. We can do it by substitution method again. From these two equations, I'm going to solve by substitution. So substitution means I'm going to choose one of the equations, say equation 3. I'm going to find either u or v. U, let me find u. 60u plus 240v is equal to 4, right? So in order to find u, you need to transpose the term containing v to the other side. So 4 minus 240v. So u will be equal to 4 minus 240v upon 60. We can reduce it. You can take 4 common. If you take 4 common, 1 minus 4, 6 times is 24 upon 60, right? 4 ones are 4, 5 times is 20. So your u is 1 minus 60v upon, this is another new equation, 5. If this is done, I'll grab this out. So what we are going to do is substitute this value of u in another equation, say equation number 4. So substitute u equals to 1 minus 60v upon 15 in equation 4. Equation 4, your equation 4 is 100u. So 100 times u, which is 1 minus 60v upon 15, right? Plus 200v, plus 200 V equals to 25 upon 5 3 times is 15, 5 2 times is 10, 0. So 20 times 1 is 20, 20 times 60 is 1210 V upon 3 plus 200 V is equal to 25 upon 6, right? You can take LCM. What is your LCM? 3 cancels out. 20 minus 1200 V. 3 2 times is 600 V. If you take LCM, right? Equals to 25 upon 6. Minus 1200 plus 200, oh, plus 600. Minus 600 V upon 3 is equal to 25 upon 6. Can I cancel 3 2 times is 6? Can be done, right? So we have 20 minus 600 V is equal to 25 upon 2, right? Minus 600 V is equal to 25 upon 2 minus 20. Is it okay? No space. No space at all. So if we take LCM here, then this implies minus 600 V is equal to, what do we have? 2. Here 2 and 2 cancels out. 25 minus, denominator is 1, so 1 divided by 2. Oh, 2 divided by 1 will be 2. 2 times 20 is 40. So minus 600 V is equal to minus 15. 25 minus 40, minus 15 upon 2. Minus minus cancels out. V will be 15 upon 2. 600, you transpose it to the denominator now. 15 1 times is 15, 15. 4 times is 60 with 0. So your V is equal to 1 by 2 into 40. 8. Substitute the value of V here. 5. Huh? Then we get you. So from 5, from equation 5, your equation 5 is U equals to, can I write like this? Can I write U as 1 by 15 times 1 minus 60V? 16 to V 1 upon 80. 0, 0, 2, 3 times is 6, 2, 4 times is 8. So U is equal to 1 by 15 times 1 minus 3 upon 4. We're going to remove this as well. So this implies U is equal to 1 by 15 times, if you take LCM, LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. Here denominator is 1, so this 4 will multiply numerator 1, so that is 4. 4 and 4 cancels out, so we have 3. So this implies U equals to 1 into 4 minus 1 by 15 into 4 minus 3, 1. So U is equal to 1 upon 15 4s are 60. But that's not it. We have obtained V, we have obtained U, but that's not it. We want X and Y, right? We want X and Y. So we have taken 1 by X as U. 1 by X equal to U, but U is 1 by 60. So this implies X is equal to 60. We have taken 1 by Y as V. So 1 by Y equals to V. V means 1 upon 80. V is 1 upon 80. So if you cross multiply, Y equal to 80, and you need to interpret the result. X means speed of the train. Therefore, speed of the train is X, so 60 km per hour. Speed of the bus is Y, so 80 km per hour. That's how you interpret, okay?